You are welcome to this maths class. What do we mean by prime numbers? What do we mean by odd numbers? And what do we mean by even number? Now, when we say prime numbers, look here. Suppose you have 6 and we want to get the factors of 6. 6 is the same thing as 1 multiplied by 6. After 1, we have 2. It's the same thing as 2 multiplied by 3. Now, the factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. All these numbers can divide 6 exactly without remainder. Now, but look at this. 5. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. There's no other numbers that you can multiply together to give you 5. So factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Now, from here, we have 4 factors of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, we have 2 factors of 5. 1 and 5. In this case, this number 5 is a prime number. It's a prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Whereas 6 is not a prime number because it has more than 2 factors, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the difference between prime number and non-prime number. If you now look from 1 to 10, the prime numbers that we have are 2, 3, 5, and 7. All these numbers has only 2 factors, 1 and themselves. Now, if you now talk about even numbers are those numbers that you can divide by 2 and you will get exact result. For example, 2 is an even number. It's an even number because you can divide this 2 by 2 and you get 1, no remainder. 4 is also an even number because you can divide 4 by 2 and you get 2 exactly, no remainder. 6 is an even number. It's an even number because you can divide this 6 by 2 and it will give you 3, no remainder. The same thing, 8 and 10. So, and so on. Now, what of odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers that if you divide them by 2, you will get decimal point or decimal number, or you will have remainder. For example, if you divide 1 by 2, you have 0, remainder 1. 3. If you divide 3 by 2, you have 1, remainder 1. The same thing with 5, 7, then 9. These are examples of prime numbers. These are examples of even numbers. These are examples of odd numbers. Until I come across your way again, bye.